If you're thinking about booking a real estate recruiting call, you might be wondering, is this going to be a sales pitch? Are they going to judge my production? Am I experienced enough? Is this even worth 15 minutes of my time? That uncertainty is completely normal. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens on your first recruiting call with Premier Home Team, how long it lasts, what we talk about, what we're evaluating, and what a successful call actually looks like. Hi, I'm Robin Martin with Premier Home Team. Over the last 5 years, we've spoken with hundreds of agents, newly licensed, early producers, and experienced agents exploring a change. We designed this first call intentionally. It's short, it's focused, and it's built around clarity, not pressure. The first recruiting call is about 15 minutes. That's intentional. The goal isn't to convince you of anything. It's a mutual discovery. We learn about your goals, and you learn how our team operates. And together, we decide if there's a reason to continue the conversation. If there's alignment, we schedule a deeper conversation at a later time. If not, everyone walks away with more clarity. Most agents assume we'll spend the whole call explaining our models, splits, and benefits, basically a sales pitch. In reality, we spend the majority of the time listening to you. We ask questions like, what sparked your interest in speaking with us? Where are you right now in your career? And what are you trying to build? Most importantly, it's what does winning look like for you? That last question matters. For one agent, winning might mean building long-term wealth. For another, it's flexibility. For someone else, it's production goals. There's no universal definition of success in real estate, but there is a best path for each individual. Before we talk about our structure, we want to understand you and your direction. This call is helpful whether you're newly licensed, early in your first year, or experienced but exploring a change. Sometimes you're just trying to decide between joining a team and going on your own as a solo agent. New agents often use this call to understand how teams actually work. Experienced agents often use it to evaluate leverage and scalability. Either way, the conversation is tailored to exactly where you are. Even if they don't say it out loud, most agents come in wondering, am I experienced enough? Will I get leads? What kind of support will I actually receive? How does compensation work? We go deep into transparency. Inexperience doesn't automatically limit success, but results vary wildly depending on effort, market conditions, and consistency. We explain our model at a high level: leads, technology, and administration support, education and structured training, and one-on-one mentorship. The purpose of the first call is clarity, not information overload. You might assume we're evaluating production numbers or your resume. We're not. Experience can be developed. We're listening for coachability, work ethic, willingness to take action, and how you've handled adversity in the past. Real estate is a highly competitive market and can be emotionally demanding. Alignment matters more than resume lines. If the fit isn't there, let's discover that early. A successful call does not automatically mean you're hired. It means you gain clarity about what you want, and we gain clarity about who you are. Sometimes that leads to longer and more in-depth conversations. Sometimes it confirms that your current path might be the right one for you. Both outcomes are progress. If you'd like a focused, low-pressure conversation about your goals and whether this team model fits what you're trying to build, you can schedule a 15-minute introductory recruiting call with me. There's no obligation to move forward. Its purpose is simple: clarity. Building a successful real estate career isn't about making fast decisions. It's about finding the right and perfect environment for how you want to grow. If you're ready for that conversation, we're here.